I'm doing a little unboxing in an unusual place instead of my bench over there. Plus, you get to see all the unfinished ceiling in here, which looks beautiful, right? And you can see me sweat. And if I stand here, you don't see this 8,000 lumen light that's probably barbecuing every fly that drives by it. And you can see all the junk on the side. There's a car right here. There's a thing right here. That blue thing right here, that's a big red frame. And the other blue thing right here is, where is it? Right here. That little thing right here is a little big red frame. And there's a whole pile of big red parts over here. It's hard to tell what the hell's going on here. So let me turn this here, no further ado. Look like this. Got one of these things. I know it's kind of lame. Hold on, let me adjust this thing here. Come on. Go down a little. Come on. There we go. Let's turn this way here. If anybody's wondering what kind of rig I'm using here, I'm using a Ulanzi like claw for my phone. It's a really good phone holder. And I don't think they make this phone holder anymore. But I bought so I'm going to probably scratch up this entire bike here. Yeah, let's get this. Put this in. We'll avoid some scratches. I bought two of these, so I won't do a double unboxing. I'm sure these have been reviewed. Where are they made, actually? Are they made in China? Where are they made? 2-ton jack stand. Where is it made? Made in China. So my question is people complain about Harbor Freight jack stands? Are these any better? But I didn't buy these because they are, what do you call it, fabulous. I didn't buy them for cars. I bought them for the Big Red. So, comes in a cardboard box, a manual, and this. And I'll throw the box in the trash. See? That's all it is. Big and fancy. I'm ripping the manual up because it's not very useful for me anyway. I picked these up at Tractor Supply so I can put them, I'll show you where. I'm planning on putting one right here. Probably wondering, why am I putting on the side of the bike? Well, I plan on getting a metal rod, and there's a little hole right here in the little frame motor mount. I'm going to put a metal rod through there. Put one on this side, one on that side, and I'm going to hold up the bike. Just a little bit, not too much, just about this high. So I take the front end off. And let me get the other one, I'll show you. Stay tuned here, I'll get the other one. And believe it or not, I have another red pair of jack stands, but they are right now currently holding up my M274 military mule. There was a gentleman that offered to buy it off me, and I don't know. If anybody wants to buy a military mule, let me know. There's another one. Not very exciting reveal, right? Just a jack stand of epic proportions. See that? Epic. Get this up there. So yeah, let me take this off of here. I'll show you. If you look down, I don't know if you can see this. See right here? There's a hole there. I'm going to put one jack stand here. One on the other side, I'm going to jack it up, put a rod through it to hold it up. And that is my big plan. So, with that said, this is not the greatest, I'm looking over here because where do I look? Do I look straight? Anyway, look that way. This camera's always freaked me out. Like, you gotta look wherever. But anyway, that's the end of this video. I'm just making it. You wanna look at my junk pile? There you go. Oh, that's all my thing. Anyway, I should do a what do you call it? A shop tour. It'll be more like a slop tour because it looks like a sloppy shop. Anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me what you're up to. Thanks for watching.